So welcome to the project demonstration of whiteboard cleaner. So in this project the component we are using, we are using servo motor, Arduino Uno board and push button. So whenever the teacher writes here any of the letters or any of the words, then the student will come and erase the board. So instead of that we are added the push button. So whenever this push button is pressed, then the servo motor will come down and and clean the board and goes to the initial position. So the power supply we are giving from this adapter. So it takes 230 volts of AC and produces 5 volts of DC. From that we are giving power supply to the Arduino Uno board, servo motor and push button. So here whenever the teacher writes here anything, then just touch the push button like this. So the board will automatically clean and comes to the initial position. So again, sorry, you can see. So like this project will be work. Thanks for watching.